and welcome again to the lecture series The Ascended Masters Answer the Fundamental Questions of Life. This lesson is entitled Lesson 10, Part 3. Let us talk about the office of the Maha Chohan. Maha Chohan means Great Lord. He supervises the 7 Chohans. The Maha Chohan is in charge of the elemental kingdom, and as such he is the authority over the manifestations of nature. He is the magnet who draws energy from the sun and who supplies that energy to nature and mankind. The activity of magnetizing and distributing energy from the central sun and the sun has been called descent of the Holy Spirit. This outpouring occurred on the day that is called First Pentecost. On that day, Jesus' disciples were receiving additional energy which renewed their enthusiasm for the teaching Jesus gave to them. It is the Maha Chohan who gives the first breath to every newborn child, and it is the Maha Chohan that takes the last breath of every individual as he passes from earth. He assists in the development of the divine feelings in mankind and gives comfort to life. His symbol is the white dove. The office of the world teacher. It is the primary service of the world teacher to further the spiritual development of the human race. He serves under the Lord of the world and designs the type of spiritual teaching which is best to bring forth during a particular time period at a particular location. The plan for the representation of a teaching is made with the cooperation of the Chohan of that particular 2,000-year cycle. For example, the Christian dispensation was planned 2,000 years ago by Lord Maitreya, acting as world teacher, and by the Maha Chohan. Until 1956, the office of the world teacher was held by Lord Maitreya. It is now held jointly by beloved Jesus and Kutumi. A Chohan is an ascended master who is in charge of one of the 7 rays. Each of the 7 rays radiates a certain God virtue to the earth, for example, the love of God. The word Chohan means Lord. Once every 2,000 years, a new ray is predominant on the earth, and as the cosmic wheel turns, 14,000 years for one revolution, the Chohan, who is the representative of the new ray, becomes the cosmic authority for the evolution of the planet and for all life thereon during that time. The 6th ray, under the supervision of Ascended Master Jesus, completed its outpouring in April 1954. The 7th ray, under the supervision of beloved Saint Germain, began its activity on May 1st, 1954. Now I will give you the names of the Chohans and their retreats. First ray, El Moria, Temple of God's Will, Darjeeling, India. Second ray, Lanto, the Teton Retreat, Wyoming, United States. Third ray, Paul the Venetian, Liberty Retreat, Marseille, France. Fourth ray, Serapis Bey, the Temple of Luxor, Egypt. Fifth ray, Hilarion, the Temple of Truth, at Crete. Sixth ray, Nada. Retreat is Mount Meru in South America. Seventh ray, Saint Germain, retreat at Transylvania, Romania. He has also focused on Mount Shasta. Now details about the Angelic Host. After the earth was created, the Angelic Host was directed to God and nourish the spiritual nature of mankind, to radiate the 7 God qualities into the evolving God consciousness of mankind. This helps to develop conscious mastery. The angelic host is under the direction of the 7 great archangels. Each of these 7 archangels embodies, guards, and radiates one of the 7 God virtues or rays, as do all angels. To gain the ascension, the Chela must master the God virtues of all of the 7 rays. The 7 archangels were the first to hold the offices of the Chohans, of the 7 rays of creative power. They embody the feelings of Father, Mother, God, as the Elohim embody the mental qualities. In the 1950s, for the first time in centuries, at Saint Germain's invitation, the 7 archangels came forth to give discourses to the students of the Bridge to Freedom. Here then are the names of the archangels and their divine complements in the order of the rays they represent. Ray 1, Michael and Faith. Ray 2, Jophiel and Constance. Ray 3, Chamuel and Charity. Ray 4, Gabriel and Hope. Ray 5, Raphael and Mother Mary. Ray 6, Uriel and Donna Grace. Ray 7, Zedgil and Amethyst. Now let us talk about the Elohim. The 7 Elohim are the great builders of form. They represent the mental activities of the Creator. The Elohim create planets. Elohim evolved from being elementals. The great nature divas are also builders of form, but have lesser responsibilities. They assist the Elohim by creating mountains, the rivers, and other details of a planet. Here are the names of the Elohim and their divine complements, in the order of the rays they represent. Ray 1, Hercules and Amazon. Ray 2, Cassiopeia and Minerva. Ray 3, Orion and Angelica. Ray 4, Claire and Astrea. Ray 5, Vista and Crystal. Ray 6, Tranquility and Pacifica. Ray 7, Arcturus and Diana. The elemental kingdom. Virgo, the goddess of earth, and Pelur, her twin flame, govern the activity of the earth element. With the cooperation of the Chelas, they are attempting to raise the vibrations of earth. The No work under their direction. Pelur is directing the activities in the center of the earth. There is a pressure of even, soft light and perfect climate. There is no darkness in the center of the earth. Neptune and Lunara are the directors of the water element. They govern the tides. The elemental beings of the water element are called undines. Aries and Thor are the directors of the air element. This includes the activity of purifying the atmosphere of the earth. The sylphs assume their function. Thor governs the action of the wind. Helios, the sun god, Prince Uramesist, and Diana, goddess of fire, they direct the activities of the fire element. Here I should mention that Diana, goddess of fire, and Diana, twin ray of Elohim Arcturus, are different individuals who happen to have the same name. Uramassus, Lady Master Nada, and the cosmic being Victory can be called upon to take away the desire for alcohol and nicotine. Nada and Victory can also be called to take away desire for habit-forming drugs. The salamanders are the beings of the fire element. Amaryllis is the goddess of spring. The divas of nature work with her. Additional details on that subject may be found in the AMTF books 21 Essential Lessons Volume 2 and Ascended Master and Their Retreats. They may be purchased from the website www.ascendedmaster.org. This concludes Lesson 10, and I sincerely hope you have enjoyed it, that we will meet soon again for lesson 11, which is entitled The Chile on the Path. God bless you.